Some people strongly believe that brushing just once a day is enough, whereas some people don't. Today we are going to talk about why brushing morning and night is very important. Yes, if you think night brushing is not important, you'll be wowed after this video. Yes, brushing at night is as important as brushing in the morning, if not more important than brushing in the morning. Yes. Before we dive into this video, I want to ask you, why have you not subscribed to my channel? Subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to know. Now, let's dive into this video. Before we start, I want to tell you why you should brush. Because most of you don't even know why you should brush. Most of you think you brush just because you want your teeth to be sparkling white. Just that. No, that's not the only reason why you should brush. The first reason why you're brushing is so that you can protect your enamel from acid attack. Yes, your enamel. Can you see? This is your enamel. You are brushing so that you can protect it from acid attack. Acid from the food you eat. Yes, you eat a lot of things. Okpa, rice, beans, yam, ogotibo. Yes, you eat. And most of you, after eating, you just gargle your mouth. Just that. Gargling is not enough. You need toothpaste with fluoride. You are also brushing so that you can remove plaque from your teeth. Yes, brushing can help you remove plaques from your teeth. Plaques are gathered from all the food you eat. You're brushing so that you can remove this plaque from your teeth. Another reason why you're brushing is so that you can remove bacteria from your teeth. Yes, bacteria that forms from the food particles that you ate. Yes. Now, if you don't brush in the morning, it's going to cause a rapid form of plaque. Plaque is going to form rapidly on your teeth. And this is going to cause cavity. And over time, it's going to cause gum disease for you. Now, why should you brush at night? You brush at night because when you must have eaten a lot of things during the day, a lot of things, most of you eat a lot. These things you ate is going to start forming plaques on your teeth. These plaques is going to stay there at night. When you did not brush, you know that if you are sleeping, there's going to be less production of saliva. During the day, as I'm talking now, there is production of saliva. But when you're sleeping, there is less production of saliva. So when you're not producing saliva in your mouth, this bacteria will be like, wow, there's enough time for me to act. They will start acting on those plaques on your teeth. And as they are acting on those plaques, this is going to start causing acid attack on your enamel. Over time, it will start eroding your enamel. It will start demineralizing your enamel. Yes, this is what causes tooth decay. And it also causes mouth odor. Those cavities will definitely cause mouth odor for you. And over time, you can develop gum disease. That is why brushing at night is very important. It's as important as brushing in the morning, if not more important. Now, what are you brushing with? Some people will ask, should I use chewing stick? Should I use salt and water to gargle my mouth? You should be brushing with toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Toothpaste that is containing fluoride. This is because if you use chewing stick, of course, it has antimicrobial activities. It is going to kill some bacteria. But now, does it have the power to stop cavity? Fluoride helps to stop acid attack on the enamel. If you don't use fluoride containing toothpaste, that acid attack on the enamel that makes the enamel to demineralize over time, only chewing stick cannot do it. If you're the type that likes chewing stick, after using chewing stick, you should also use fluoride containing toothpaste. Yes, this will help you to get a whiter teeth. You will have a whiter teeth because there won't be any acid attack There won't be plaque formation either. There won't be bacterial activities on your tooth, both morning and night. Do you understand? This will help you to maintain a whiter teeth. You have now seen that brushing both morning and night is very, very important. So if you learned something from this video, share this video. You're going to see on my next video. Bye bye.